Hey guys, so today we're going to Athirapilly waterfalls in Kerala, India. So let's go. And I'm starting this trip from Edappal, Kerala, which is there in Malappuram district in Kerala. So it is around 100 kilometers from here. So let's start our journey. So first I was confused on whether I should take my bike or my scooty. Then I have decided on the scooty because I have a bag to carry with me which has a pair of dress and my charger and my little bag in it in case if it rains or in case of any emergency. So although it's easier to ride the bike, I would rather prefer the scooty if I have some bags to carry or some luggage with me. I would rather prefer the scooty. So let's go on the scooty today. So we have covered almost over 11 kilometers, and from here we can see signboard. Here you can see Athirapilly 92 kilometers left. So I have reached wildlife sanctuary, and it's been raining throughout the journey now. It's been amazing. So this is the wild animals crossing zone, and it looks amazing. Walking up. This is the way. This is the way to walk up, like around a half kilometer. So now I'm currently walking. There are lots of shops here. They sell gift items and a lot of little things, mostly gifting items. It's nice to see them.